What if the difference between a constantly messy home and a truly fresh, comfortable space was already within reach, but you just hadn't found the right tool yet? Dust settles faster than we notice. Pet hair keeps coming back no matter how often we clean, and everyday mess builds quietly until it feels overwhelming. Let's kick things off with our number 6 pick, the Bissell Compact Turbo. A shocking amount of cleaning frustration comes from using a vacuum that feels too heavy for quick jobs, yet too weak for serious messes. That is exactly where the Bissell Compact Turbo changes the experience. Designed for people who want powerful home cleaning without dragging around a bulky machine, this lightweight vacuum packs impressive suction into a compact frame that is easy to carry from room to room. Apartments, dorms, and smaller homes benefit the most, but anyone tired of wrestling with oversized cleaners will appreciate its practical design. The quick-release extension wand makes it easy to move from carpets to upholstery, curtains, and tight corners in seconds. On hard floors, the scatter-free technology helps control debris instead of pushing it around, while carpets receive the deep, clean attention they need. Compared with many stick vacuums that prioritize portability over performance, the Compact Turbo feels more balanced. The dirt tank could be larger for extended sessions, but its easy empty design keeps maintenance simple. A smart contender in any top vacuum cleaner roundup, built for real homes and real routines. Now let's move to the next at number 5. We have the Eureka Thayers, a strange frustration in a home that looks clean but never fully feels clean, where dust keeps returning no matter how many times you go over the same carpet. And that's exactly where the Eureka starts to make its presence felt. From the first use, it gives the sense that cleaning is no longer about repeated effort, but about actually removing what's been hiding deep inside fibers, especially in homes dealing with pet hair, fine debris, and constant daily mess. Its suction feels steady and reliable, pulling in dirt in a way that makes each pass feel purposeful rather than repetitive, while its lightweight build keeps movement between rooms smooth instead of tiring. Floor transitions feel natural, and the overall handling makes long cleaning sessions less stressful, especially in apartments or family homes where cleaning happens frequently. What makes it stand out even more is how practical it feels in daily use, because emptying and maintaining it doesn't turn into a complicated task you keep avoiding, and that simplicity adds real long-term value. Compared to heavier, more premium Shark models, it may not carry the same high-end finish or advanced feel, but it compensates with ease of use and efficiency that many households actually prioritize more than design luxury. For pet owners, small families, and anyone who wants reliable everyday cleaning without complexity, the Eureka delivers a balanced experience that quietly improves how manageable home cleaning feels. Coming up next at number 4 is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser pet owners know the truth that most guests never see. Even after cleaning, hair and fur don't fully disappear, they just relocate into deeper layers of carpets, sofas, and corners, which is exactly the problem the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is built to confront. From the moment you start using it, there's a clear shift in how it approaches cleaning, because instead of treating pet hair as just another type of dirt, it actively focuses on pulling it out from the places where it hides most stubbornly, especially upholstery, rugs, and high shedding zones. The suction feels strong and targeted, and the specialized design makes a noticeable difference when dealing with embedded fur that regular vacuums often leave behind, turning what used to be frustrating repeat cleaning into something far more controlled. One of its most practical advantages is how it reduces brush tangling, which means less stopping mid-clean to fix the machine and more continuous progress through your home, and that alone changes the cleaning experience for pet-heavy households. It does come with a bit more weight compared to lighter models, which you feel during longer cleaning sessions, but that trade-off is reflected in how effectively it handles pet-related mess at a deeper level. Compared to something like the Shark Navigator, it leans more heavily into pet-specific performance rather than general versatility, which makes it less universal but significantly more focused. For families with shedding pets, constant fur buildup, and fabric-heavy furniture, it delivers a level of cleaning that feels less like maintenance and more like actually restoring your home. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Bissell PowerClean. Some homes don't just get dirty, they constantly reset themselves with pet hair and debris spreading across rooms as if cleaning never fully lasts, and that ongoing cycle is exactly where the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280 watt steps in with a more controlled approach. From carpets to sofas, it maintains steady suction that feels consistent rather than fading halfway through. And that reliability makes a real difference when dealing with daily shedding that never seems to stop. Instead of constantly fighting with scattered hair and uneven pickup, it creates a smoother cleaning flow where each pass feels like it's actually reducing buildup instead of just moving it around. The anti-fur design adds to that experience by helping manage hair more efficiently, especially in pet-heavy environments where standard vacuums often struggle to keep up over time. There is a practical limitation in its dustbin size, which may require more frequent emptying during deeper cleaning sessions, but in exchange it offers focused performance that feels well-suited for regular household maintenance. It feels more specialized toward pet homes and less focused on multi-surface versatility, but that specialization is exactly what makes it effective in its category. For apartments, small to medium homes, and pet owners looking for consistent everyday performance without unnecessary complexity, it fits naturally into a routine where cleaning becomes more manageable and less mentally draining, and if you're considering it, checking the links in the description can help you compare it directly with other options in this range. Breaking into the top 2 takes the number 2 position DREAME Z30 Cordless. Cordless vacuums often start with promise, but slowly lose impact as battery life drops or suction weakens mid-clean, turning what should be effortless movement into fragmented cleaning sessions, and that exact frustration is where the DREAME Z30 Cordless changes the experience. From the beginning, it delivers strong and steady suction that makes dust, pet hair, and fine particles feel properly addressed rather than partially removed, giving each pass a sense of completion instead of hesitation. What stands out most is how consistent it feels across multiple rooms, maintaining performance in a way that allows whole home cleaning to feel continuous rather than interrupted, which is especially valuable in busy households or apartments where cleaning time is limited. There is still a realistic trade-off in its dustbin size, which may require occasional emptying during longer cleaning sessions, but that is balanced by the strength and control it provides during use. It may not feel as advanced in smart detection or premium refinement, but it delivers impressive real-world power and usability that many users actually prioritize more than automation features. For pet owners, families, and anyone who wants cordless freedom without sacrificing cleaning strength, it offers a balanced experience that feels practical, controlled, and efficient in daily use. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Dirt Devil Endura. Not every cleaning problem requires a heavy or complex solution, and sometimes what matters most is speed, simplicity, and something you can grab instantly without turning cleaning into a full task, which is exactly where the Dirt Devil Endura Lite positions itself. It focuses on quick, everyday cleanup, handling crumbs, dust, and light debris in a way that feels fast and uncomplicated rather than overwhelming, making it ideal for small, frequent cleaning moments throughout the day. While its dust capacity is more limited compared to larger upright models, that trade-off keeps it lightweight and easy to maneuver. especially in smaller spaces or homes where deep cleaning isn't always the main priority. It doesn't try to compete with premium machines or advanced systems, and instead leans into being a practical, no-fuss option that gets straight to the point. Compared to higher-end vacuums like Shark Navigator models, it feels more minimal and direct, without extra features that can sometimes slow things down or complicate usage. For first-time homeowners, apartments, or anyone looking for a dependable budget-friendly vacuum for daily upkeep, it offers a simple but effective solution that fits naturally into routine cleaning without effort or planning after comparing all 6 options. The DREAME Z30 Cordless clearly stands out as the most balanced overall choice because it brings together strong suction, consistent performance, and cordless freedom in a way that actually works in real homes rather than just on paper. It handles both carpets and hard floors effectively, maintains power across multiple rooms, and reduces the friction that usually makes cleaning feel like a chore, turning it into a smoother, more continuous process. Even when compared to budget-friendly options like the Dirt Devil Endura Lite or more specialized pet-focused uprights, it offers a more complete and versatile experience that adapts better to different cleaning needs. While it may not include every high-end smart feature found in premium ecosystems, it compensates with reliable real-world performance that users can feel every time they use it. That combination of power, convenience, and consistency is exactly why it takes the top spot in this lineup. Because the best vacuum isn't the one with the most features, it's the one that quietly makes your home feel cleaner every single day without adding effort back into your routine. If you want to compare any of these models, all the links are in the description, and thanks for watching. Cleaning gets easier when the right tool finally does the heavy lifting for you.